This is one of my projects that I just finished up. It's a Stearns power reel lawnmower, probably late 1930s. It has a Briggs and Stratton WT engine on it. When I got it, the crank handle was broke. The oil cleaner was broken off. The breather was bent, crushed. The wheel backing plate was broken in 7 pieces. The reel was froze on it. I sharpened the wheel, freed it up. The little clutch on the side here was froze. I freed it up. I hooked up the little clutch handle here and the throttle cable. And I still have to find a gasoline tank. I could buy a new one, but they're around $50. I'll try to find a used one for it. And that's all for this video.